Meaning of graze.
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 Graze. The word graze has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common definition refers to the act of feeding on grass or other vegetation, usually by livestock such as cows or sheep. Another definition of graze is to brush against a surface or object lightly and quickly, leaving a slight mark or scratch. Additionally, graze can refer to a superficial wound caused by such contact with rough surface. In all cases, the action of grazing involves touching or interacting with something in a light, superficial way.